Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the Infinity Processing System and my $300 a day blueprint formula that you could also follow as well too. All right, so we're going to get started. So it's it says learn our 300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. All right. And so this is not a overnight get rich quick scheme or anything like that. I'm just going to show you the back office of my rebranded page. Okay, so that's mine there. And then how this works is step one, you get started, join one of the levels to get access to your products and your step-by-step digital training. Step two, you're going to post ads on social media. We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. And then step three, you're gonna get paid, start collecting 100% daily commissions straight to your account. All right. So I'm gonna be going over a couple things here. Let's just go to the different levels. Okay, so the starter level is $50, one-time $25 admin fee. What products do you get with that? You can only you can only earn $50 per commission, and then a 30 marketing ads plus 20 bonus image ads, winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion and influence, the 7-day success action plan, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing, 30 Facebook groups, and then Craigslist training. Okay, the elite level is $150, a one-time $25 admin website fee, and then what products do you get? You'll be able to earn $150 plus $50 commission with the 100 pre-written ads plus 40 bonus image ads. Okay, you also get the winning mindset formula. You get everything else here, but you also get Facebook group support. You get the YouTube mastery, Instagram marketing strategy, and you're gonna get how to create your 6-figure sales funnel. Okay, now on the third and final level, this is the pro level. One-time payment of $300, a one-time $25 admin fee. Okay, and this is highly recommended. You get paid on all levels. Okay, you'll be able to earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions. You get 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. You get winning mindset formula. You get everything mentioned before, but you get a 30 email follow up to close your sales on autopilot. And once you join me, you'll also get a, a free website as well too, a landing page, and you'll also get a follow up series from me as well too. Okay, you get the TikTok marketing strategy. You get access to our VIP training live chat. Okay, um, and then let me show you what is possible with the system here. Let me go ahead and scroll down. So if you join at the $50 level, to get $300 a day, you'll need let's see, you need a few sales. Okay, so you'll need about 4 or 5 sales. Well, actually, you need 6 sales a day to get that. Okay, so if you join at the level, well, I joined at this level, so $150 per sale and $50 per commission. You'll end up getting, all you need is 2 sales for that. Okay, $300 for the sale, but you can make more. I'm just giving you an example of this. Okay, and then the pro level, the elite level, is $300 commission. So with that, you just need 1 sale. But if say you get 4 sales in a day, or even 4 sales in a week, that's $1,200 a week. That's more than most people are making at their job. Okay, so as mentioned before, you're gonna get a free landing page, but you do have to join leadsleap. That's completely free. You get a free email marketing system from me, and I'll show you right now. Let's see, go down here, and you get a tracking system. This is all included as well. So this is one of the funnels you'll get. Okay. And then let me show you how Herculist all ties in with this. So we're gonna go here to Herculist, okay? So you're gonna promote this with leadsleap and Herculist. All you have to do is just follow the same formula I've been following. Okay, so you're gonna go to add mailers first. Let me go ahead and log in here. All right, let's see here. Okay, so it's still loading right now. So you're just gonna go to the members area. Let's see here. Okay, so it's still loading here. Okay, so there's a couple ways you could promote this. Okay, so if you don't have any money or barely have any money, you could go here to the free. Wait, so you go to the free mailer they have, the add mailers here. Okay, but I do recommend starting out. You could do the add mailers. That's free, but you still have to upgrade to do the ad mailer to 100,000 plus members daily. Okay, and then you go to Prime Ads. You can go a Hercule blurb, and then let's see here. You could also do solo ads as well. You could do the traffic bomb. That's a 3 hour eye blast. 22,000 buyer list submissions, 400 prime ad exposures, 4 mega mail submissions, 20 smart list submissions, and 10 blurb mailers. That's only $39. Okay. And then 25 half order now available as well too. So they do have a discount on that. So it's pretty easy to get started. So you go to solo specials. Okay. You do the $20 solo ad, and then you'll go down all the way toward the bottom, and then you get the Hercules Volta login ad, and then you click here. It's about everything in total is about $44.99 to get started promoting it, which is still fairly cheap. All right, now if you are ready to get started and um, start making money, go ahead and click the link below to get started. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel.